Hello guys, if you are a beginner or you are new in my channel, you're welcome to Legit Pay on now. Now here is today daily combo. Yeah, let's get started. Let's go to our daily combo. Our today's first card is under Lega. So let's click on Lega and let's scroll down. So our first card for today is anti-money laundering. That's our first card for today. So let's click on it. So let's go ahead. Yeah, we've opened our first card for today. So our second card for today is under special. Under special, that's where we're going to find our second card. So let's go to new card. So our second card is X Network 10 million. X Network 10 million. So let's click on it. So as for today's card, what I mean by this is we have 10 million subscriber on our X means Twitter. So let's go and join. So let's go and join the Twitter. So you can see I'm there already. So I think I can go ahead. So let me go back. Wow, it's still not allowing me to join. So I think there is a little problem with that. So what you are asked to do here is for you to like. If you subscribe, you need to like, then retweet again. You like and you retweet, and then you go back. Once you do that, it's going to allow us. So let's go ahead. Yeah, boom. So we've opened our second card for today. So our third card is still under special. Our third card is still under special. So let's go to the new card if you haven't used it before. So our third card is HAMSTER GPT. HAMSTER GPT. So that's our third card for today. HAMSTER GPT. So let's click on it. So let's go ahead. Yeah, we've opened our third card so we can take our prize. So our token coin for today is ready. So let's claim it. Yeah, we've claimed it for today. So that's our daily combo card for today. If you are new on my channel, let's subscribe, turn on the notification bell for you to know when we drop another new update, and don't let us forget to join our Telegram group for more updates about any airdrop and how to make money online. Thank you and God bless. Peace.